How important are the courts in our legal system? Without them, we would have chaos. Where there's no rule of law, there's no structure for the preferences of society, for the expectation of behavior, for the holding of property, for the hope of justice. The courts are much in the headlines these days, as are the judges and the justices who manage them. It's as if the courts themselves are on trial.
All rise for the jury.
What is the judge? What does society, what do we expect from our judges? What qualities do we believe that judges should demonstrate? What skills come with the expectations of the job? The judge plays at least 4 major roles in the courtroom: adjudicator, manager, activist,
All rise.
and moral symbol. You see, the courtroom and the judge are symbols of, the essence of, civilized society. If the system doesn't work, neither does the society. Attorneys learn their craft from law school, but where do judges learn their craft? Here, in this unique classroom, in a unique college, a college of judges who teach judges. In this course called General Jurisdiction, judges like these enact courtroom scenes as models for discussion and analysis. These judges are portraying all the roles in this courtroom classroom situation, from prosecutor and jury to defendant. Recreating this scene was a pleasant break from the class routine. But these judges are here at the National Judicial College on the campus of the University of Nevada, Reno, to learn. They are all acutely aware that there is a crisis in American justice. The litany of problems is lengthy. The court dockets are overburdened and the courts are underfunded. The courts are under attack by special interest groups as being biased, prejudiced, the very opposite of what judges must be, unbiased and neutral. Criticism of individual court decisions and judicial judgments are to be expected in a democracy. But if a majority of our citizens begin to believe that the justice system is corrupt, unfair, political, inaccessible, or unable to dispense justice, the law itself loses its majesty and authority. And law, no matter what anyone thinks of individual laws at any given time, law is the fabric of society. Judges come from all over the world to attend classes and seminars at the National Judicial College at the University of Nevada, Reno. Subjects include courses for the orientation of new judges, the updating of all judges on new legal developments, and preparation of experienced judges for new court duty assignments. The basic courses deal with court management, common problems, and the fundamentals that give new judges the competence to discharge their duties fairly, correctly, and efficiently. Intermediate and advanced courses keep judges up to date on recent law changes, new techniques, and alternative methods and solutions. Taken together, these courses comprise a judicial curriculum of career-long education, growth, and development. Of the 35,000 judges serving in the United States alone, more than 12,000 come to their courtrooms with no training in the law. Justices of the peace, many small claims court judges, and others find themselves sworn in and given the authority to dispense justice without ever having set foot in a law classroom. The National Judicial College is involved in grant and governmental training exchanges with many foreign countries, including emerging third world nations and the bloc of countries formerly known as the Soviet Union. Remarkable faculty, remarkable students. Where else could a group of appellate judges studying writing style have as a guest lecturer a United States Supreme Court justice and take part in a discussion of each word in the opening sentence of a landmark decision that the justice himself authored? The word judicious means requiring judgment, and judgment means more than instinct. It requires thoughtful and often painful decision-making, trained, experienced, informed decision-making. This is why we need judicial education for judges. It takes money to train these judges, and that money is the best investment you can make, because it frees you to seek and safely gain all else. There is a network building of judges of all persuasions working together to make justice across America and around the world. Many of the judges at the forefront are alumni of this National Judicial College, educating today's judges for tomorrow's challenges. New ideas, new approaches to old concepts, the essence of civilization, the law.